I just have a question because I overheard someone talking in a store I was in, and they were talking about, well, if you don't wear your mask, I could place you under citizen's arrest. And I was just curious as to if citizen's arrest does exist, and if so, and it's for not wearing a mask or something, or someone does something and they place under citizen's arrest, how and what happens with that?
Sheila, man, I love these two questions. Great points. Matthew, there's plenty to chew on there. What do you thought? Do citizen arrest, one, still exist? And two, do face masks fall underneath that?
Wow, that's a couple great questions. Yep, citizen arrests do exist for sure. It's rarely used, as you can imagine. Really, arrests occur mainly in two main kind of ways. Arrests occur. One, if you you commit a crime in an officer's presence or a sworn someone who's under the law to be able to do that thing, he can arrest you. That's number one. Number two is if there's a warrant before a judge, he issues an arrest warrant. So those are the two main ways people are taken into custody or arrested. Also, you can do citizen's arrest, but it's something that's got to have occurred in your presence. Okay, it can't be hearsay, it can't be secondhand. It's got to be something that occurred in your presence. So that's the first part.
What about what about if someone's in the store and arguing with another customer for their safety, in other words, and that person's refusing to wear a face mask, and that person says, "This is what happened. Well, I can place you under citizen's arrest and make you wear a face mask." And that's why I was curious as to if that even existed.
Oh, it absolutely does. You can. That would certainly be an extreme measure for sure, but it certainly can be done.